Welcome to my channel and welcome to the last day of the Inktober. Today we will be illustrating some hearts on a stand, and well, I guess today I really wanted to talk a little bit more about the Inktober, a little bit less about the illustration I'm doing today, because this one is quite self-explanatory, so I'm sure you will be able to follow. First of all, I want to thank you all for joining the Inktober. It was super fun. It was challenging, but also it was fun, and I enjoyed every step of the way. And sometimes when it was, as I said, even hard and challenging, I enjoyed it anyway. So hopefully all of you also did. Some of you I know did do the illustrations, some were just watching, and that's also fine, just as long as it was relaxing for you, as long as, well, I guess you enjoyed it. And all of the videos, all of the tutorials for the Inktober in real time are available for my channel members, and they will stay available on my membership channel. So even if you did not join during the October, there is always time you can join in and you can do all 31 illustrations with me in real time and just see the entire process in real time. That would be awesome, and I'm sure you will enjoy it and love it. And also there are, I don't know, around 30 tutorials in real time on the membership channel, so I'm sure you will also enjoy them too. And I guess, as I said, I really enjoyed this, and I do appreciate all of your comments and your support during the October and the Inktober. And I did, even though if some of the illustrations were not my favorite and I had struggles with them, your comments were so, I don't know, supportive and did push me through the harder days. And I really do appreciate that a lot. And so today I decided to do 2 hearts. Last year I did 1 heart to say thank you, and I guess this year I decided to do 2 hearts. It is, after all, the 2nd year of the Inktober, and even though I thought to myself last year, I won't be doing that next year, this is way too challenging for me, but I did want to put myself through this challenge, and I thought to myself, you know what? You can do this, and I know you will be proud of yourself if you do it at the end. So I decided I'm gonna do it, and I did do it, and I do not really regret that. And again, thank you so much for all of you who joined in, who, I guess, again, painted with me or just watched my videos and comments and liked those videos, because that does make a difference for me and for my channel. It helps you help me grow my channel. Thanks to you, my channel is what it is today, and without you, there is no channel. So I do want you to know that I really do appreciate every and each of you. And with this Inktober, I did want to offer you something different than what Inktober usually is, and to make a prompt list that would be a little bit different. And for those who maybe necessarily don't like the official prompts and prompts that are spooky and creepy all the way, I did want to do something a little bit more also romantic and something a little bit more cheerful, but also make it a great practice and learning experience for the ink and watercolors, because I do notice that there are not many videos and tutorials with simple ink and watercolors work, and that's what I really love to do. I love watercolors and ink together, so I wanted to share my love and passion and also some practice with you. Again, hopefully I did what I intended to do, and you did enjoy this, and we all had fun. And guys, again, thank you so much for being here with me during the entire Inktober. And I guess thank you so much again if you did like it, please hit the like button and comment. Let me know what you think about this video, this illustration, and also about the entire Inktober. I guess that is it for now for that, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!